College test. Jesus. You're gonna cut it close to State College, that's for sure.
Where the radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard.
I need to get PhD 36 to come in.
National Weather Service every Wednesday with Chester an hour. It was calm. Down pressure with severe weather. The test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Observation in Washington and Hager's 10 a.m. observation airport and steady. In Altoona, it was cloudy. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. The probability for widespread hazard weather is low. The wind was southwest at 7 miles an hour. For Lancaster, the pressure was 30.06 centimeters and steady in Lancaster was 16.
Oh yeah. Oh, crap.
Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about what will follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding alert systems.
Well, there's State College's test.
The high temperature yesterday in Lancaster was